Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you killer T cells, also known as cytotoxic T cells, play a crucial role in the immune response against cancer. These specialized white blood cells are capable of recognizing and destroying cancer cells. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. When cancer cells develop, they often display specific molecules called antigens on their surface. Killer T cells have receptors that can recognize these antigens as foreign or abnormal. Once a killer T cell identifies a cancer cell, it binds to the cancer cell and releases toxic substances, such as perforin and granzymes, which induce cell death. In addition to directly killing cancer cells, killer T cells also release chemical signals called cytokines, which help to recruit and activate other immune cells to join the attack against the cancer. However, cancer cells can sometimes evade or suppress the immune response, making it difficult for killer T cells to effectively eliminate them. This is why cancer immunotherapies have emerged as a promising approach to enhance the activity of killer T cells and boost the immune system's ability to fight cancer. Different immunotherapies, such as immune checkpoint inhibitors and adoptive cell therapies, aim to enhance the function and response of killer T cells against cancer cells. These treatments can help overcome the mechanisms that cancer cells use to evade the immune system and improve the chances of successful cancer elimination. It's important to note that the immune response against cancer is complex and can vary depending on the type of cancer and individual factors. Therefore, a multidisciplinary approach involving various treatment strategies may be necessary to effectively target and eliminate cancer cells. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care yours near to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks. Bye. See you again. Love you all.